Namaste, Jai Hind. Today we'll learn about how to convert a Word file to PDF. So to start with, we'll open the Word file that is saved in our system. Once this Word file opens up, we can go to top left corner of the screen, and we can see if we go to save as, we see there is no option available to convert it into PDF form. We go to other tools and we can explore that the option to convert it into PDF is not available. So we'll close this Word file and we'll go to Google Chrome. And in Chrome we'll type save as PDF Office 2007. And once we click here, different website will open up. So we are clicking on the first website, right click, open in a new tab, you go to that tab and we can see the option to download that extension is available here. So you click on this and the download is in progress. So once the download is finished, we'll click on that exe file and the installation of the extension is there. So we'll click on continue and installation is in progress. So we have to wait for some time till the installation completes. And we can see the installation is still in progress and installation is happening. So once the installation is finished, we can go back to the same folder and we can check the same file. And now when we go to save as, that option to convert it into PDF is available. So you click on PDF and it gives us the option to convert it into PDF extension. Now there are different tools available at the bottom of the screen. So if we click here, we can actually convert it into the number of pages which you want to convert. And there is another option at the bottom of the screen wherein if we tick that option, the converted PDF file will open up in the first go itself. If we untick it, it will not open. So now we click on publish and it is converting it into PDF and the PDF file is generated. And this is the PDF file that has been generated. So it follows the same formatting and everything, and this is the PDF file. So we can close this and we can go to the same folder where we have saved the Word file, and we can see the PDF file is generated. Thanks a ton for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Jai Hind.